Hello again, a new day, a new project. I have to present you a subwoofer. These are made by T&M Systems, named FG115s. T&M System, it's a private label from Trius, from Ibbenburen in Germany. Trius, it's a specialized audio equipment company. They are designing professional audio equipment. The loudspeakers inside are produced by two ISO 9002 certified manufacturer in close cooperation with the Trius development team. Now let me have some details about T&M FG115s. First of all, it's a 15-inch double voice coil subwoofer in long stroke version, and the power is 2 times 300 watts RMS each. That makes like 1200 musical, I may say. That's funny because each coil of the loudspeaker have 8 ohm impedance. When you use it in parallel, then you're gonna have 4 ohm loudspeaker. The cabinet have internal passive crossover, and the sensibility it's around 100 decibel, 1 watt, 1 meter before. The cabinet itself is made from 18 millimeters Baltic birch plywood. The weight is like 35 kilograms, and dimensions are 51 times 58 times 55 centimeter. It's pretty big, I may say, and it's pretty heavy. The front panel, it's very nice tight, and 4 screws on the sides and another 4 in the front. That's nice because no vibrations. Open it up. That's the loudspeaker over there, 15-inch, made for Trius and T&M Systems by another manufacturers, in close cooperation, of course, with Trius. And that's the loudspeaker, very solid, aluminum chassis. It's not steel, it's aluminum, and it's very... Don't forget to take a picture with the connections before taking off the wires. And there is also a ventilation hole the other side of the magnet. This is rubber peripheral suspension. Let's see the guts of the loudspeaker, I may say. Inside the cabinet, you see the bus reflex construction, because this is a direct radiating subwoofer, and that helps for having very low frequencies for the loudspeaker. We have 2 passive crossover filters, and it's a filter for each part of the loudspeaker, for each coil of the loudspeaker. A couple of resistors and a few capacitance over there, and also a strong coil, a strong magnetic shock. In the cabinet we have phono-absorbent materials, and also there is a thread on the top for having a stand for the top loudspeakers. Also there are 4 speak-on connections on the rear. So the specialists are saying once in a while it's good to change the position of the loudspeaker. So I'm going to do it like this, with this double coil, up and down. Okay, so let's put the wires back. It's always like we have to check the connection, even if we have to make it a little bit stronger, like this. Just it have to go in really hard. There we go. This is good. Plus and minus. And that's fine. It's looking good. So I'll put it this way. Hertz. Okay, 45 Hertz. And from now on it's the cut of the filter it's getting involved, and it will be no more power or signal. So now we have 300 Hertz. Okay, so let's put everything back together. So this one is really nice tied with 4 big screws from the sides and another 4 in here to avoid any vibration. Something interesting about these loudspeakers, you see, because they are double coil, there are 2 entrances, 2 ins. It can be used in a very versatile mode. Let's say we have a stereo amplifier, you know, like a power amplifier. This one I'm using for, it's a C audio, and let's say it's on stereo. Then we have one channel here, the other channel over here. So the loudspeaker, it's working without problem, because being a double coil, the both channels will push in the same time, of course. And if you consider a direct connection here with no filters, you see the filters are over here, then from here I can go to the medium and high frequency loudspeakers. Of course, not filtered directly. Okay. Something else, if I use it in mono, then let's say I'm coming to one of these ins and I have to bridge these two, and that makes two coils in parallel. If it's a single coil, it will be 8 ohms here and another 8 here. So it's either 8 here or 8 here. If it's bridged, then I have 4 ohms loudspeakers. And this is really, really great. What I mean about bridging, a simple cable like this will do the job. And now the both coils are connected in parallel. And I have a 4 ohms loudspeaker. This is rated to 300 watts RMS and another 300 watts RMS. And that means the loudspeakers in bridged mode like this, 600 watts RMS. Thank you for watching. See you soon with some new projects. Don't forget to subscribe. That will help me to keep going on with all these hobby things. And in the meantime, be safe, take care. Bye bye.